Hi, my name is Rachel, and I'm going to be reviewing the Genomics Lab ELR. What is genomics? To answer this question, we first need to know what a genome is. The word genome is a blending of the words gene and chromosome, and is used to describe all of an organism's genetic or hereditary information. So, genomics is a study of an organism's entire genome and how that genome controls all of the events that occur inside a cell. Scientists began to realize that in order to comprehend how a genome works, one must study the genome as a whole and not try to put it together for its individual pieces. It turns out genes are completely interdependent on each other. These relationships are so complex that when you try to make a diagram of all the connections, you end up with a drawing that looks like a hairball. The Genomics Digital Lab focuses on how cellular organelles inside plant cells are dependently linked to each other and the connection between those dependencies and the plant's external environment. The main feature of this ELR are its 3 levels of interactive games. In this level 1 game, you are exploring what plants need. It looks at 3 variables: different light, different gases, and different liquids that the plant is set in. You get to manipulate these variables to see which ones together give the plant the ability to grow and thrive the best. Once you have chosen the right variables, the ELR congratulates you and tells you that you have made the correct decision. It also gives you the opportunity to be interactive by allowing you a notepad where you can state a hypothesis as well as any observations that you may see. Another great thing about this ELR is its different levels. We have the beginning level, the intermediate level with 3 different lessons, and also it offers an advanced level. This includes different case studies. This one talks about solving the energy crisis. It also gives you a place with an interactive notebook, again, where you can record your hypothesis and your observations. This ELR also offers an anatomy section where you can look at different levels and magnifications of a plant's anatomy. It starts with simple leaf and stem and goes all the way down to the organelles. This ELR is best used at a high school level. Many of the games are too high for middle school or even a freshman or sophomore. The content covered would probably be best used in 11th grade or an AP class. Here you can see the plant organelles, and you can even zoom in side of the organelles to see different parts. Another great thing about this ELR is its teaching reports and utilities section. This page links you to lesson plans and other resources that you can use in your classroom. To use the lesson plans, you select your country, your state. You then can select different document types, Word or PDF, and it gives you 4 lesson plans to choose from. These lesson plans are very detailed with background information as well as different types of assessment and the materials that you'll need